So on the next personalization feature is the persona. The purpose of a persona, it is a voice or style identity derived from one of your generated songs, so that future generations can stay consistent. You need at least one completed playlist with songs available, because persona creation requires selecting an existing song. How it works is you first create the persona name, and then you select a song from the list of the playlists that are available, and then you mark 10 to 30 seconds of a vocal section, and then you create the persona. So we'll just get right into it. The first thing is we are going to click on personas, and then we are going to click on create new persona, and then we are going to name. So I'm just going to name this as Jack R&B. Description is optional. Then you're going to continue to song selection. Here you will be able to see your playlist. You'll just expand the one that you want, and then let's say I'm selecting this song. It will populate here in this vocal selection widget, and you can play. You can just play. You can just play on it. And just wait. Immediately when you start to hear vocals, you can now say mark vocal start. So I'm going to mark that point, and then just wait until you get at least like 10 seconds, right? So we can say that is the point. And then the persona description will be filled automatically from the playlist song selection, so that you don't have to type anything. And then that's it. So once you create this persona, you'll be able to use it when you're generating a playlist. All right.